a basic book for understanding the Quran in Arabic. Get ready. Each word of the lesson will appear on the screen for 2 seconds. Say its meaning within 2 seconds, then check the answer. Adjust the video speed as needed. Make sure that you have read and completed the relevant lesson beforehand.
هذه جهنم.
This is hell.
هذه تذكرة.
This is a reminder.
هذه ناقة.
This is a she-camel.
تلك أمة.
That is a nation.
تلك نعمة.
That is a blessing.
تلك عاد.
That is the nation of Ad.
تلك عشرة.
Those are 10.
تلك عقبة.
That is a consequence.
تلك آيات.
Those are signs or verses.
هذه الدنيا.
This world.
هذه الحياة.
This life.
هذه البلدة.
This country.
هذه النار.
This fire.
هذه الشجرة.
This tree.
هذه القرية.
This village.
تلك الجنة.
That heaven.
تلك الدار.
That home or abode.